Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're moving into a product sent to me by ADPOW. ADPOW, it's an Amazon product. If you just type in ADPOW, pretty sure it's the only product they sell on Amazon, and it seems to be pretty nice. It's a trim removal kit. So whether you're a DIYer or a professional, if you work on any interior stuff, whether it's car audio or just working on electrical or anything interior wise, this kit can come in handy hugely, especially if you have a nice car that you don't want to damage the plastics or the leathers or materials inside your vehicle while trying to remove a panel or anything like that. It also comes with a few other tools that can help you out with the interior stuff as well. So we're going to go over that. I'll show you all the items and give you some information on it, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of what you guys think about this product. Obviously on Amazon, there are so many different companies out there that make kits just like this, very similar pieces, but this is a pretty good all-in-one kit and provides you with a lot. So let's go ahead and take a look. YouTubers, so this is the item sent to me by ADPOW Tools. As you can see here, it's going to come in this nice little carrying case. It's like a fabric, but it's got a semi flexible hard cover to it, so it's pretty durable. It's going to have a zipper on it, and it's a bifold carrying case. So inside you're going to have a total of 11 of the Pry Bar Tools. These are nylon fiber. They are not ABS plastic, so they're supposed to be stronger, more durable, and scratch resistant to your interior pieces. You're going to have all different styles and bends for all different sorts of situations. And it's going to be great in saving your vehicle's interior pieces or your customers, whether you're a DIYer or a professional. So I'm not going to get into which one you would use in each situation or anything like that. That's really up to you for whatever works best. But you're going to have 11 total. These ones over here, as well as these 3 on the right side. Then you're going to have 2 pry bar panel poppers and a panel popper set of pliers, which are great for those Christmas trees. If you can get these in, I use these probably most often. I have another set in my toolbox. I love them. But prying away those hard, stubborn interior pieces, these are going to be great. Another thing that's included is this pouch. Now, I wouldn't suggest sticking your hand in this pouch. This is like your electrical connector tools, your audio stereo removal tools, your lug nut. If you have lug nut caps, the little plastic caps, they have tools in here for that, to grab those and pull those off. I wouldn't suggest sticking your hand in here. There's a lot of sharp objects in there. So you're gonna have like these, which are gonna help you with the caps and all of that, and then stereo equipment as well. Different styles. You have some with different angles. This one's a little loose. Got a little play there. I guess it just screws in, I'm sure. Yeah. But still got a little bit of play. But so that these are going to be your electrical connector tools. You can basically stick these in the front or the back of a certain electrical connector and remove them from the wires in order to put new wires on or change the connector and stuff like that. So lots of little different tools here for different situations. And yeah, that's basically it. But this pry bar, panel popper pry bar, is going to be about a 45-degree angle, and then the smaller one is going to be about a 60-degree angle. And showing, if you've never seen one of these or used one of these, they're great for getting in between the panels. Get the Christmas tree right in the middle, and you just pull it right out. They work great. Also, everything is strapped down with little elastic bands, so that's really nice. But obviously, if you're going to be using this stuff pretty often, you're probably not going to keep it in there. But it all depends on the job and the work that you do. But all in all, seems like a really nice product. I used, this one on some interior pieces in my Camaro. Seemed to work really good, working on the door panels and stuff. Obviously, with newer vehicles, things are much tighter and harder to get off than older style vehicles. So if you're working on any vehicles and you don't want to damage the interior, because a lot of the time people will just simply use a screwdriver, and then you end up having to wedge it in something, or you slip and you scratch the interior stuff. This stuff will definitely come in handy if you're trying to prevent any of that. So not too bad, $29 on Amazon, ADPOW, as you can see here. And remember, don't stick your hand in a magical bag because you might get a surprise. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of this, if you guys have another product similar to it and what you bought it for.